Hello, Assalaam Alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabeena, with week 2 of the 6 items challenge with label behind the label. And this week I'm talking about what is the 6 items challenge. The 6 items challenge means I choose 6 items of clothing for April and May of 2024. This does not include undergarments or exercise gear. You can wear an endless supply of these. This year I completed the challenge, however, my health was very poor and my right shoulder and my fingers have been very painful. It is a long-term ambition to design a fair trade, slow fashion collection in memory of my beautiful mother, Mrs Meshar Mumtaz Bano, and support fair trade certified cotton farmers, sustainable and ethical producers. My beloved mother was an advocate for women's empowerment and education, and I believe she would have been very happy and proud of me to have continued my campaigning for millions of countless individuals producing clothes and accessories in factories and workshops around the world. Hopefully by the end of the 6 items challenge I would have educated a few people and raised a few pounds. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I can continue to vlog in English and Urdu. My very best wishes to all the participants this year and those who've participated in the past. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to recording another 6 items challenge video for you very soon. Take care. Bye for now. Alaikum, Assalam. Peace and blessings.